If you'd ask me to describe Zoho Creator in a single liner, I think it'll be a sleeping manager. If Zoho Creator was down for a day, I think we'd be handicapped and it'd take us about 3 days to get back to normal. I am Rachith, so I am taking care of more or less how things happen around Radiant now. So this is my 5th year into the business. My dad started this about 31 years ago. So I'm the 2nd generation here. Radiant primarily has always been a solution provider for different kinds of surface finishes for different substrates and metals, with our primary focus being architectural aluminium for 25 plus years. Only very recently have we started venturing out into different kinds of performance-based coatings, from aesthetics to performances, more functional. So now we are into defense, aviation and aerospace grade functional coatings as well. So yes, so we give life to color. That was always our tagline, but now we are expanding our horizon for all kinds of coatings that you would need. So when we started getting in customers that had bigger organizations, things started to change how they happened at our plant. So they wanted more trackability of the processes and more documentations with reliable durability and qualities. So all of those things did happen in the past, but they were more or less fragmented and not properly channelized into a single thread like document. With our need of growing customers and having bigger people as customers, bigger organizations, that need started to fall in. So that is when we realized that all the paperwork that we do is very difficult to handle, and we need some kind of a system where it is easier for people to audit us, for them to track how we've been managing things. And then one fine day, one gentleman asked me a question, very abrupt. He told me that he didn't want to do business with me or my manager. He wanted to get into business with my company. So my company should outlive me or my managers, and that should mean that all processes need to be followed with a certain protocol. So something like an SOP. And then we started picking out what exactly are the parts and processes that we need in the industry. So we categorized our production into 5 different units. So inward, material pre-treatment, production, quality and dispatch. So 5 divisions were created. Then we realized that there is more to communication than we think. So there is, when you say ye material us party ka hai, so between 2 people when we are talking, I can point fingers and you can understand when you look at something, but the system won't. So system needed to identify a certain thread for each different SKU, and we have about 10,000 different kinds of drawings and profiles coming in every day. So we started exploring options, and that is when we got to know that this is a creator-based platform that we can customize to our liking. So the other products available in the market were already made for a certain kind of industry, and they did not fall out exactly how we needed it to be. This particular implementation, we were helped with XAAS Genie. Those guys had the responsibility. What I did was I showed them some bunch of Excel and spreadsheets, 8 different kinds, multiple numbers, and I told them I want all of this online. They started figuring out, and they built a model based on those spreadsheets. So they identified what was missing, and then they put it online. Then they figured out a way to create a thread to tie and stitch all the departments together online and not in person. After we divided the production into 5 units, we've created about 15 different applications for the 5 managers to use. So that is how Zoho got to help us, and this has helped us save about 3 hours per person per day amongst my managers. So all the paperwork is now eliminated and everything is now online. So this also helps me scale the plant. Since this is a manufacturing plant, I incur daily rejections. Now I know what kind of color or what kind of profile drawings gives me the maximum number of rejection. So I can maybe escalate the price offering for my customers on that certain SKU, or I can try understanding the reason behind this particular kind of rejection. So that is where Zoho has helped one. Second, I've given access to my customers, so this gives me transparency. So my customers don't need to call me or my team every minute trying to understand what part of the process their material is in. They see it right through. It's through the portal. So I give a login access to my customers. So they get to log in and then they can check so they have to input their delivery challan. If you'd ask me to describe Zoho Creator in a single liner or a title, I think it'll be a sleeping manager. So it's not somebody I'm talking to, it's not the manager I'm calling, but it's always there and it's taking care of things. And it has blended in so well that its existence is not in the face, but without a day of Zoho Creator, it will take us 3 days to bounce back. So that's the role our sleeping partner or our sleeping manager is playing. If you ask me if I have any plans to launch any other parts of applications on the Zoho platform, I'm not sure if I have any, but we're constantly fixing bugs and the market is constantly growing. So they're going to have new needs. So we'll take care of new things we'll want to build. We'll take creator help and we'll take XAAS Genie's help on it.